lucky day. It's a beautiful day because you and I are spending time together as we go through our devotional, God's Big Idea. I'm Auntie Kay, and today is September 30th. Yes, it is. And our title is Cleaning House. Our scripture text is from Isaiah 56, verse 7, which reads, "This is because my temple will be called a house for prayer for people from all nations." After Jesus rode into Jerusalem, he went to the temple. He was not pleased by what he saw. He saw animals. Because many people traveled great distances for Passover, they didn't bring animals to be sacrificed. So the priests allowed dealers to sell animals in the outer court of the temple. It was noisy and confusing, and it didn't smell very well either. He saw money changers. The priests would accept only the temple shekel. So people with different kind of money had to exchange it for temple shekels at the money changing tables. The money changers charged high rates. They were noisy too. He saw what was happening in the holy temple that had been built as a place to worship his Father. He saw that the priests were earning money from all this business instead of stopping it. He saw poor people buy overpriced sacrifices so their sins could be forgiven. He saw people buy, he saw people sell, he saw people cheat without a thought as to where they were. He threw out all the people who were buying and selling there. He turned over the tables that belonged to the men who were exchanging different kinds of money. Animals, money, and people were scattered everywhere. Nobody argued. Then they were gone. It was quiet. Jesus was left alone with his disciples, but not for long. Sick people crept up to Jesus. People tiptoed in to listen to Jesus teach. Children climbed onto his lap. It was peaceful. But the priests weren't happy. Not at all. I guess as we continue reading, we're going to find out why the priests weren't happy. But today's title was Cleaning House from our devotional, God's Big Idea. Come back tomorrow.